Hey, what's up, guys? It's Nick over here, Fitness 19. I want to show you really quick. Hey, see ya. Show you really quick how you can get paid 19 bucks by bringing in a friend, referring a friend in here to join up with the club. So what you're going to do, actually, go right to the login for your page. You'll see that if you click on the link, you can log in with your email address and your password. If you don't know your password yet, you're going to use your phone number. It's a temporary password. You could also go to Google, just search Fitness 19, cruise over here on our website, and if you can see here, really cool thing real quick, you could get a free workout plan by clicking on that button there. But if you scroll down a tiny bit, you'll see here where it says member login, and that'll take you right to that login page. So if you don't have the link, that's how you can get to it very easily. So put in the email address that's on the account, and then put in the phone number. First time logging in, you're going to need put your phone number in there, and then you're going to click member login, and now it'll tell you here that you need to change the password. So that'll be the first time logging in. Now change your password. Make sure you write that down so you can remember it. Now, if you're cruising down here where you can refer a friend, you click refer a friend on this button and type in your referral's information. So who it is that you're going to be referring to the gym. Once you refer them, we'll have a profile created for them, so they'll be able to try us out for free on a guest pass. And if they like the gym, they love it, and they like it as much as you do, we'll get them a membership. And when they get a membership, we're going to pay you 19 bucks. We're going to put it right on your account. So just fill out the information right on there. You can fill out as many referrals as you want to help you get even more money. There's no limit right now. Just get this done as quickly as possible so we can get your friends in here. Click refer a friend. Do it again over and over again, as much as you want, as many people as you have that wants to come in and check out the gym. We really do appreciate the referrals. It's going to help out a ton of people as well, and we definitely want to make sure you're getting paid. So we're going to put that money right in your account so you can enjoy additional services for free at Fitness 19. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good one.